Attention citizens in Nebraska. Blizzard warning has been issued for Nebraska. It's going to be on February 27, 2012. People in Nebraska, be prepared for a huge blizzard. It's going to be a powerful winds and a powerful snowstorm, a lot of blowing snow, zero visibility. It's supposed to be a real bad blizzard for Nebraska. It's supposed to be a really powerful blizzard going to hit Nebraska on Monday, February 27th, 2012. Omaha and Lincoln, Nebraska have to be prepared. Everyone in Nebraska, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets, hats, and gloves, and scarves, and ski pants ready. Because it's supposed to be a really bad snowstorm for Nebraska this Saturday coming up. It's supposed to be a real high winds, blowing snow and everything in Nebraska. It's going to be a really bad weather going on in Nebraska on Monday, February 27th, 2012. Winds going to gust up to 100 plus kilometers per hour. Supposed to be a damaging winds, and telephones will be knocked over. Transformers will be destroyed. Winds will be really powerful in Nebraska. Zero visibility. Temperatures will get extremely cold there. It's supposed to be 50 plus centimeters of snow for Nebraska on February 27th, 2012. Best of luck to you. People in Nebraska, have your candles, flashlights, and lanterns, and wind-up flashlights, and bottled water, and canned food, everything ready. Good luck.